In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can load MrSid imagery into Map Suite. Now, the MrSid format is a great format if you have a lot of raster imagery and you need it compressed and you need to get optimal performance out of it. MrSid is a proprietary format out there where you can use tools to compress your raster imagery so it can be easily consumed within your application. ThinkGeo actually doesn't do any compression of the MrSid imagery, but if you have MrSid files available, we can display them on the map accordingly. So let's dig into the code so you can see how you can add MrSid imagery to your application. So we're going to take a look at the view source here, and pretty simple sample application, as we're just adding the map to the page, setting our background color, map unit, and the current extent where we want to zoom into. Then down here is where we're setting up our MrSid raster layer, and this is a class built into the Map Suite core, so you can use it with any of the Map Suite products. And we're giving it the path of where our SID file resides. Once we've set that up, really the only thing left to do, and this is even optional, but we put these properties here so you can see that it is a possibility, is to tell the map control when you want this raster layer displayed. In this case, we want to display it at all times because we've set our lower threshold to 0 and our upper threshold to the max value of a double. This is based on the map scale, so if you only wanted to show this when the user zooms in to a very detailed layer, you could set the lower threshold to 0 and the max to whatever that maximum scale would be. As always, if you don't know your scale, you can always find that out by calling the map1 or map.getCurrentScale method off of the map control itself to get an idea of what scale you're at any given zoom level or extent. Finally, you just add your MrSid raster layer to your overlay and that layers collection and render the map out accordingly. And your result will be that your raster image will be displayed on the map, and you can also, of course, put other layers on top of it and build up the map exactly how you need it for your application. If you're interested in why the X's are displayed here, this is just a sample MrSid file, so it's got some of those watermarks embedded on there. If you have any questions about MrSid imagery or how to use it within Map Suite, feel free to contact us, or you can post your questions directly on our discussion forums at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.